Hey guys, so this is Studio Vlog episode 3. Follow me on my journey to find eco-friendly packaging for my new little business. So, a little background. I have been using plastic my whole life and I'm not proud of it. And just because I have this small business, I don't want this to be a reason to add on and use more plastic than my usual usage. So, if you are a business owner, do consider to use eco-friendly packaging. The earth does not need any more plastic just because we own a business. FYI, I'm still using bubble wrap and plastic mailer, and I'm trying to find affordable eco-friendly alternatives. Feel free to comment below if you know where to find in Malaysia. So let's follow me browsing some packaging. I tried browsing paper packaging in Shopee but I can't find any, hence why I'm now on my way to find paper to do my own packaging. Sigh. I'm at Art Friend if you know where it is. I'm trying to find translucent paper for my stickers so you can still see the inside. To be honest, plastic packaging is very tempting. It's so pretty, you can see the stickers inside very clearly. It's very professional for your business. But OMG, I cannot add on anymore. I feel guilty now already. After browsing some options, I came across this tracing paper. It's quite sturdy and translucent. I tried finding other options, but the rest were just pricier and not translucent like how I want it to be. So I brought several pieces home, and before that, let me stop by this newly opened food chain first. I have been craving for tteokbokki for a while now. It's night time already. Let's go home with my tteokbokki and my tracing paper. I cannot wait to eat this. Let's unboxing. You see that brown food paper? Yeah, I reused that for my bullet journal. It's a good tip for you guys. Look at my mess. I spilled the sauce to myself. Now I have to clean up. It's night time already and I'm a little tired. Let's continue tomorrow. Good afternoon. Yes, I wake up this late. Okay, where are we? So I ordered another translucent paper from Shopee last week and it has arrived. Okay, let me show you the comparison between the papers. The left side is sturdier and thicker, whereas the right hand side turns out to be a tissue paper, very thin and translucent. I want to show you the plastic packaging from mass-produced sticker business. Look at this, it is so pretty. Let's say no to plastic for now and let's achieve this with paper. I want to show you how I want to design my sticker packaging. This is honestly so cool. But I want my customers to be able to store the stickers inside the packaging, whereas this cannot. I want it to be a paper bag, and another thing, I want to have a header just like this. Is this how you call it? This is kind of how I want it to be. A bag so users can store the stickers inside if they do not have sticker storage, but with a twist. A header to make it look more professional. After knowing what I want to create, let's start by trying out one of the two papers. I decided to go with tissue paper first. These are my stickers. I'm running trial on these two stickers because I want to measure the average size, so I only have to create one type of sticker packaging. After measuring the stickers, I decided to create 6 cm width and 5 cm height for the packaging. Not too big and just perfect size. This is the layout. Pause if you want to take a screenshot. Just normal envelope kind of layout. Let me fast forward the cutting process, but let me tell you that cutting this takes quite some time because this paper is so fragile and thin. Imagine I have to create many of this. How long it's gonna take me? Now, let's glue this piece together so it can create an envelope. Yay, it's done! I printed the header in matte sticker sheet as well, and I want to stick it. Hell no. I made a mistake. I created the envelope too big from the original size. I have to repeat that again. Let me fast forward so you can miss that part. Alright, now it's done. Again, it's very fragile. I'm not sure if this is what I want, but let's try to insert the stickers. here is what it looks like with the header. What do you think? I'd say it's very eco-friendly looking, but hey, not bad. Let's go with the second type of paper. This one is the thicker, sturdier tracing paper. Same thing here, I draw the outline and go through the same process again to create that mini envelope / paper bag. By the way, I make this mini entry, kind of, so users can actually close the bag and there is no need to use tape to secure. This is what it looks like with the header stick on. Let's fill it with the same stickers and see how it looks. Anyway, this is the insert thing that I tell you guys earlier. So there is no need for glue or tape to secure and we can reuse this. Okay, let's compare. This is the front and this is the back. Let me show you the sound of the paper when I shake it. It's very fragile, right? You know, normal thin tissue paper and the right side is the thicker plastic-like and sturdier for packaging. I like both, but I think you know my preference already. The sturdier paper is a lot faster to cut, it's more efficient, and because I want the paper bag to be reusable to store stickers, I don't want it to be torn easily. I made my choice already. Since I can't find anyone selling paper bag like this in Shopee, I need to create my own. More time consuming, I know, but hey, this is the only option that I got for now. I am watching Jenny's pregnancy video while making this. It is so touching and I cried a little. So I made quite a few for several headers for different sticker designs. And I also make a memo pad packaging as well. This is not 100% complete for the memo pad packaging. I am planning to add more things here, but what do you guys think? So yes, this is my third episode of my studio vlog. Hope you enjoy and subscribe for episode 4 so you won't miss out on my small business journey. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this inspires you all. And if it does, please like this video so it can reach out to more people. And yeah, stay safe everybody and stay creative. Bye!